Hey there, Amazon shows you revenue. What it doesn't show you plainly is what's left after referral fees, fulfillment fees, storage, returns, and ad spend. Let me walk you through the Amazon FBA Seller Profit and Fee Calculator tab by tab. Start on Settings and Fee Rates. Your default referral percentage, FBA fee, storage cost, and monthly plan fee, entered once, so every product inherits them. The product database is the engine. Enter your price and cost, and it works out every fee, your net profit per unit, your margin, your ROI, and whether each SKU is on target or needs fixing. PPC and ad spend tracks what each campaign costs and what it returns, which is where your ACOS and tacos come from. The break-even calculator answers the question you ask before every price change, the lowest price you can sell at without losing money, and your break-even echoes. Inventory and restock watches your days of cover and tells you when to reorder before you go out of stock and lose your ranking. Returns and reimbursements logs refunds against money. Amazon owes you back, including claims still pending. And the P&L dashboard runs it top to bottom: revenue, cost of goods, shipping, Amazon fees, advertising, refunds, down to net profit and margin. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.